Hey guys, how's it going? Well, if it turns out you're getting some benefit from my window painting videos and you're started your own window painting business, or if you're just doing it for a hobby or fun, please take the time to like, subscribe, and share the video with others. And leave a comment too. I love reading the comments. Alright, on to the new video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I found the lost video of Ivyland, the GoPro footage. So I'm putting together a new video of Ivyland and showing some of the stuff I did on the other side too. Alright, check it out.
Well, I had to head over to the dollar store to get some glasses, sunglasses, because it's pretty, what the hell? I went down the wrong road.
Rainbow blend, pastel rainbow blend.